What is the perfect meal for a workshop? When we design a workshop, we don't just design the activities of the workshop, but also we have to make decisions about simple things like the venue, the snacks, and also the meal. And weirdly enough, if you don't choose the right meal, you might kill a few hours of your workshop. I've done that mistake myself too. After a difficult morning of workshop, I thought, hey, let's treat the participants with some very lovely and fun food, like a great pizza or a burger. Indeed, participants loved that kind of stuff. But the problem was that after the workshop, participants were just broken. Their stomach had to work so much that their brain couldn't work anymore. So here are a few ideas and tips on how to select the right meal and the right snacks for the most creativity in your workshop. Avoid sugary snacks. Go for salad. Go for cold meals. I'm a Swiss guy, so for me snacks means chocolate. But these are not always the best one. Why? Because there are many people who are intolerant to these kinds of snacks. Just go for very healthy snacks like fruit. When it comes to meals, I prefer to go for cold meals. Why? Because when the meal is cold, I can decide when is the right time for us to have a break and then bring the meal in. So stuff like salads, sandwiches are just perfect. When you don't know the allergies and intolerance of your participants, one of the great choices for a meal is basically salad. What I like to do is to go out and buy a few different salads with a few different sauces. And then people can pick and choose the one that fits better their style and also their intolerances. And it's light enough so that people don't spend 2 hours after lunch being broken.